Here I'm again back. Today is January 22nd. It's almost 5 p.m. There is no sign of slowing down of this snow blizzard. Snow have started around 7 a.m. this morning, and there is no sign of slowing down. Its intensity even increasing now. I just cleaned my driveway, and as I clean driveway, move forward because of heavy snow fills my driveway backward. I assume by now, look at how high that snow pile is. You can judge there from that snow pile, and look at snow pile everywhere, and look how thick is this snow after I cleaned my driveway. I think it's around 9 to 10 inch snow already, and I think we will get, according to forecast, it is going to snow 10 to 14 inch, maybe more than that. There's my car right there covered with snow. It may be more than 14 inch. So even though I cleaned my driveway, it's already covered with snow, but instead of clearing more than a foot of snow at once, I clean about 9 inch snow now, and whatever comes later on, cleaning tomorrow will be easier, right? It's just like divide and conquer. Instead of doing once, do half and half. It's a lot easier. And you can see in the sky, there is no sign of slowing down. It's just keep on coming and coming. It's pretty wintry condition today. And this is Kishore. Thanks for watching. We are in Richmond, Kentucky. This is very heavy snow. You can see Richmond city just brought snow plow in our neighborhood to remove some snow, but what he is going to do is going to push that snow to our driver. That's too bad, but what can you do? Anyway, this is Peter. Thanks for watching.